Jennings, welcome in. We're going to spend an entire hour. The doctor is here. He is in. Dr. Paul Nassif, we were just seeing him, world-renowned plastic surgeon. He has been at the network with an exclusive line of understanding skin, understanding hydration, understanding anti-aging, understanding cleansing. This entire hour of his clean beauty brand that we have here is going to be all under $50, all free shipping and handling, and we are going to address every part of your body. Let's start out with the DecoLift. This is your neck firming complex, and this is a serum. What you're getting today is 1.7 ounces, and this is normally going to be $124 for a 2-pack. We're going to take $79 off. We're gonna do that free shipping, that everything, we're going firmer, lifted, smoother. The neck is the hardest place to address, and the doctor has cracked the code. 594710, you're seeing it on Donna. The doctor is joining me on Skype this morning for the entire hour. Doctor, thank you so much.
Tina, it's great to see all of you, and it's actually wonderful to talk about skincare this morning, and especially, one thing, the reason why I developed all this is because, my scalpel has limitations. And, I'm a facial plastic surgeon, and my goal is to take my surgical results and get them to the next level, because one thing is we need to take care of your skin. And now with this, the DecoLift, and we're going to show you some before and afters here, what we call, and I want you to look at the décolleté and the neck. And one of the things that I can tell you, I'm sure you all heard of tech neck. You grab your phone and you're taking a selfie and you start seeing the wrinkles. You start seeing the, shall we say, the poor skin tone, the decrease of elasticity. And what we did was we took the best clinical grade ingredients and put them together synergistically, which means the peptides, the vitamin C, the different hydrators are going to actually, and especially right here, let's stop here for 1 second on this before and after. And I'm sure a few of you could kind of look at this and say, you know what, that looks like my neck. And remember, these are not surgical results. These results you're looking at, whether it's 4 weeks or 6 weeks, using twice a day, the DecoLift. And you can see already the fine lines are so much softer. Even that deep, what we call a smile wrinkle in the lower neck is better. And when I'm doing a facelift, yes, and immediately all your wrinkles are gone because you're swollen. But it doesn't help with the tone. It doesn't help with the elasticity. It doesn't help with the wrinkles. It doesn't help with the firmness. That's what we are doing for you with this. And what's great about this, and you're getting 2 of these, so you're getting 3.4 ounces, which should last you at least a good 4 to 5 months. And what we'll do later on is we'll show Donna how she's using this. We use this on your décolleté, your neck, and even your jawline. So that's what I want everyone to do. And you can start this, Tina, even in the 30s and go all the way up. One thing too about NassifMD, the ingredients actually are for all genders, different ages. You can start again, 20s, 30s, depending on really what your needs are, and all skin types. And you can watch how Donna is using that. Hi, Donna.
Hi. Yeah, I love the neck and deck. I use it every day, and I've seen an amazing difference in this part of my skin. I was starting to notice a lot of wrinkles and aging in this area because I didn't take care of myself when I was younger. I was a sun worshiper, didn't know that that was not good. But since I've been using the neck and deck, I've really seen an amazing difference.
And doctor, you probably hear this a lot. Our face may look great, but our neck ages differently. Our neck looks differently. I say necks and hands to me are the ones that kind of give anything away. I always say, don't take what you put on your face and just take it down your neck. You needed to have the right ingredients to address that. That's that before and after. We're looking at Donna right now. You're looking at that reduction of that dryness instantly, and then that firming, that lifting, that smoothing. Doctor, I don't know if you heard me at the beginning of the hour. I said everything this hour is going to be under $50 in free shipping. So we took your $100 duo and we had to get it below $50. So this duo is now $45. That's $79 off its actual retail value to get this down in the free shipping. So for $15, get this 2-jar home and try it. I love that you gave us so many different ages and everything with the neck, because again, side sleeper, you know, you're talking about the tech that we're doing, or just, you know, the fact that that's the part that moves all day long really is wear and tear.
Well, actually, just to even add to what you're saying, and we're looking at my telestrator, I'm going to point out a few things to you. We have the healing glands in the neck and the décolleté aren't nearly as numerous as they are in the face. So this area does not heal well. Now, listen, we will do lasers. We will do different procedures on the neck, but this is an area we have to be really careful. And especially as I show you now, let's go through some of the before and afters. And you can take a look at, you can see the difference. 6 weeks used twice a day, and she's 72 years young. Okay, let's go to the next one. Now, here we go. Now, she's 61, 6 weeks, twice daily. Take a look at this area right here. So we call epithelial cells, fibroblasts, different cells of healing. They're just not that plentiful in the neck. And so this is why we have to, you know, select special key ingredients that effectively and clinically work in this area. And when you look at the before and after here, what do you see? One, as a physician, what I see as a facial plastic surgeon, decreased wrinkles. That's the number one thing. Two, I see more brightness. I see there's actually firmness of the whole entire neck area, and the skin tone is so much improved. Okay, we're going to keep going through these. Now, here's a décolleté. Now, unfortunately, you know, the sun is exposed to your décolleté all the time, especially if you're wearing even a low-cut blouse. And this is, again, even a product for men to use, because, listen, some people are going around getting Botox in the neck, which you could do that, especially for the bands in the neck. But it does not help, again, with those wrinkles and with this area. So if you look at this, this is 4 weeks, twice daily. You know it's the same skin because you can see right here.
Yeah.
It's the same. It's a real before and after. But look at the difference. And again, it's almost like someone took an iron and kind of, you know, made that area so much better and took out the pleats there. And again, here we go. This is right in between the breastbone, right there. And the sternum, 4 weeks, twice daily. And here we go. We just got a few more. And that's why when we look at these before and afters, I mean, you're talking 8 weeks, 2 times a day. I'm going to use my favorite term, better than a BOGO. So you're getting a better price here. So I'm glad that we're able to bring everything to you for under, as you mentioned, what, under $50 you
The whole
said
hour.
for the entire hour. Look at that right
and
here.
this hour, by the way, doctor, we're gonna address your neck, we're gonna address your eye, your face. We're gonna do the whole shebang, and everything we're doing is under 50 and free shipping and handling. If the doctor were to sell this maybe in one of his clinics or somewhere where NassifMD is available, it'd be $124 for the duo. Our original sale price was at $98. We have it at $45 and free shipping. I love that it's clean beauty also, doctor.
Well, clean beauty is one thing, you know, Leaping Bunny certified, so no animal testing. It's even vegan. And, you know, it's the clean beauty is one of the things that you have to make sure if you get clean beauty that it's also effective, and that's what we're able to do. And these products are effective, you know, and you're seeing the before and after. So what you're going to do when you look at any product, one, you want to look at the ingredients.
Yeah.
Two, you want to look at the results. Three, you want to look who's making it for you, who's producing it for you. And we've been on HSN now, I don't know, 7 or 8 years now. Yeah. And, you know, my goal is to give you, yes, you can see an instant result there. That's the immediate hydration, but it's the long-term benefits that we deliver to you. And as I mentioned, as a facial plastic surgeon, my scalpel, when I'm doing a deep neck lift, for example, when I'm doing these deep plane face neck lifts all the time, we're lifting up in the tight muscles here. And immediately, you know, the patient said to me, Dr. Nassif, all my wrinkles are gone, all the way down here. And I go, well, unfortunately, a lot of that is swelling. This does not help the quality of the skin. So it's a nice 1-2 punch.
Yeah.
When we can actually do surgery, but also that. And one of the important things, and I know we got to move on a second, I want to tell everyone. My goal in the med spa, so for example, we have an esthetician.
Yeah.
You're coming in, you're doing these facials and lasers, whether they're from $300 up to $3,500. Okay, whether we're doing them in the office or in the operating room. What I'm trying to do is take, again, from a skincare line that's clinically effective to you at home to bring you some of those results. I'm not comparing them to the surgical procedures or medical procedures we do, but I'm giving you products that my patients use prior and after surgery.
And actually, this is the next product we're moving on to, doctor, is one of those that you do give